Are you looking for a better way to share your screen while holding your audience's attention? With you can easily stay on screen with your shared content. Whether you want to share an app, tab, or full desktop, you can switch seamlessly into and out of a share without breaking your rhythm. Let me show you how. At the top of the screen, select the Share Screen button. A dialog box will pop up that will allow you to share any part of your desktop, whether it's your entire screen or just a window. I'm going to choose our blog page to share with my team. Now it's just about controlling that content because once you share, every action you take on your shared page will show up in You can see when I scroll the blog page here, it shows up in So I can keep that over my shoulder or I can go ahead and make it full screen. Now I'm ready to present this live in Zoom or I can go ahead and make a recording for my teammates by clicking the record button right above the slide tray. And it's as easy as that. I hope this helped you better understand how to share your screen in Happy creating and thanks for watching.